Going to be going over FFIE as well as CRKN as well as GWAV. First, we'll look at FFIE. Today we hit a low of a $1. We have the short-term support of $1 here. Keep an eye out for a potential retest of $1.15 going into either tomorrow or Friday. I believe going into tomorrow we may see a retest actually of 115. If we do break above 115, keep an eye out for 122 to be retested. I know a lot of people were seeing this pattern too. We have this downtrend pattern on FFIE, and it broke above the pattern today just slightly, then retesting back down towards this downtrend. I would keep an eye out for an 86 support level. 86 is the major support level. If we continue this behavior of this pattern going down, we may really see a potential downside towards 86 cents. However, if we do break above that $1.15, which is what I'm waiting for, then expect a potential move towards the upside of $1.22, as well as that major resistance level of $1.51. A lot of people are expecting to see or wanting to see a retest of 389, and I think that's too far out to look at. Please be careful with this stock. Please be sure to look at the resistance levels that are closer to where we are right now. This is more realistic in my opinion and my own personal speculation. 115, 122, followed by the major resistance of 152. Those are three resistance lines I'm looking at right now, and I'll be looking at those going into tomorrow as well as Friday, so long as we remain above this dollar support. If we continue to break down into this behavior, this pattern, then be cautious on that support level of 86 cents. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below for FFIE. Let's move on to CRKN. We'll go into the minute chart. We'll look for the low of today. Going into today's market, we had a low of about 0.0980. So almost 10 cents there. Made a move up all the way to 18 cents. This broke above our 16 cents resistance level. Then sold back down here, right below the 200 EMA on the minute chart. Now we are currently at about 13 cents in the post market. What I would expect is to see us probably consolidating around 12 cents. This is my personal opinion. If we consolidate around 12 cents, we may potentially see a move towards the upside back to the 16 cents resistance level. If we get down to the 12-cent region, right, and we break below the support level, be very cautious as we may even potentially see a downtrend towards the 5 to 6 cent region. First things first though, want to see if we can remain above 12 cents. 12.5 cents is one of the support levels I am currently looking at for CRKN going into Thursday and Friday. Let's go ahead and move on to GWAV. GWAV was pretty crazy today. Let's see, intraday we had a low of almost 5.5 cents, right? Then we spiked all the way up to about 9 cents. We went back down here, we went back up, we almost retested 9 cents here intraday, went back down. We're playing around the EMA, here's EMA here at 50 and 100 and 200 EMA, right? We're testing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then we break below 200 EMA for a little bit. We do touch support of 0.075. This is a support line that I put up before. We bounced off of the support line multiple times throughout the day, right? Maybe it's like a little bit below just for a little bit, but we do get some confirmation that there is support here at 0.075 at least for today, okay? Then we finally retest that 9 cent resistance line. 9 cents resistance line broken above, we get to a high of 0.0956. Then a bit of a sell-off back down to where we are right now. Still looks very interesting in my opinion going into Thursday, Friday, and maybe even next week. Be on the lookout for GWAV. This could be pretty big for GWAV. I would potentially keep an eye out for that 0.09 49 test again, which is 9.5 cents. This is very somewhat close to where we are right now in comparison to the volatility. Keep an eye out for a break above this, because if we do break above 9.5 cents, we could potentially see a potential run towards 14 cents resistance going into either the remaining of this week or next week. Let's see, next week is between May 27 and May 31st. So be on the lookout for a potential run there for GWAV. That could be a 48% run to the upside from 9 cents. From 9 cents to 14. That is pretty big there. So it's something I would definitely keep an eye out for GWAV. If you are interested in my technical analysis, I do have a Twitch stream link below in the description. I live stream there from open to close every day. I'm happy to answer people's questions there and share technical analysis on any stock you may have, you may want to request. We also have a Discord link down below. It's free to join. We talk due diligence in there. We don't talk about like, buy now, sell now, hold now. That's not our vibes. We don't do that. We just share our due diligence, our technical analysis, and what we realistically think where price may rise to or fall to. A lot of time, people will say technical analysis don't work on these high volatility stocks. Well, I think the opposite. I really think that technical analysis could determine the momentum move up or down, right? And with momentum moves, there's a kind of trader for that. There are traders that work based off of momentum moves, and but using technical analysis, you can determine momentum power plays. So that's why I think it's good to keep it open-minded, and it's also good to know a bit about technical analysis. If it's something you're interested in, I live stream every day and it's free to go onto my Twitch stream. Just if you're available for it, come check us out. Twitch stream, link in the description, as well as our Discord, Patreon if you want to join to support the community with in-depth explanation of things. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this video if you're in GWAV or CRKN or FFIE. Share this video, post it on Reddit, StockTwits. These are just my realistic potential supports and resistance levels. Again, reminder, I am not a financial advisor, just sharing my personal opinion here and speculation on these three stocks. Thanks for watching.